Dapat bubutasan niya dun sa kamatada tira-tira pa.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a slime.
It's me.
What? Na. Before we start, thank you muna po ako sa nag-subscribe sa akin sa channel ko. Para makabuo ng slime, kailangan natin ng
Glue. Glue all. Cause it says it.
Ariel!
Yes. Pag pumutok yan.
Glitters. And ikapabuo.
Wow.
Sakay magmimix.
Dito kami mag-mix.
Oo, dito. Yes.
Kailangan natin ng ganito. First, glue.
Glue. Don't open the glue yet.
Open it.
Hey, you open it.
Okay. Dito oh. Dito oh.
Dito.
Bakit dyan na?
Para malaki.
Ah, nga. Pwede mo naman i-din sobre. This thing is so
Hard. Lahat, buddy.
kita mo.
Ew.
Diarrhea. That's what happens. When you poo. Oh,
Kailangan natin.
magiging thick.
Yes.
It'll be
Empty.
sticky. Magiging sticky.
Ooh.
Be smelly. I think.
Let
Di ko alam.
Put the Ariel.
Hindi ko alam.
Ariel! Puti Ariel! Wow! What's up with it? I need scissors.
Scissor.
I'll be right.
What is wrong?
Put half of it, ha? Half.
Half? Oh no. I'm bad at this. I'm gonna be bad at this. Oh,
Half only, ha?
what?
Slow. Hey, that's me.
Oh. Wait, what?
A few moments later.
Pupa. Pipa pupa. Pita ka na kusaka na ka na ha. Come on, sing. Come on, sing. Ishi. That's good.
Woo!
7 hours later.
It's gonna be bleach.
Careful, Ishi, sa mic.
We got a mixy. We got a mixy. We got a sticker. Mixy. Pagkain na yung mixy thing. Lahat? Nakita ko. Pagkain na yan.
The next day.
For like 3 seconds.
2,000 years later.
I'm so weird. I'm so weird. We're both weird.
Woo! Like a slime glitter.
Don't snip it so hard. The glitter will tuck in your nose. Dang. sneeze either.
Don't sneeze at someone. And don't cough on someone. Cover your mouth. Cover your nose.
One eternity later.
Nagutom kay Mami. Epic fail ako sa slime. Ang lamig. Sino may alam gumawa dyan ng slime? I-comment down below sa aking YouTube. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video.
Bye. Subscribe for Ishi and hit that like button.
Wow!
Get more notifications for this epic.